Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is JOLLYIN. Today I'm going to be reviewing this laundry basket, but let's get right into this. So it says step 1, take off the wrapper. Done. Take the package and take out the support rods and the liner. So here's the liner, and here's your support rods. Unfold the support rods. So they unfold like this. Easy enough, there's 4. So it says insert to the vertical pocket. So you take this out right here, and these are the vertical pockets. So you're gonna grab them, and they're gonna have a little hole right here. And then that is where you are going to insert these little rods into. So you're gonna go all the way down. Make sure that it's on the corner that you're working with. And then once you get to the very top, you're going to insert it over here in the corner. Put this strap right there to keep it in place. And you're just going to keep doing this to all 4 sides. So just like that. And then we are going to take this and we are going to insert it in here. And you're just going to use the Velcro to kind of hold this up in there, just like that. And then it has a lid that covers. And this is what it should look like, all put together. Very roomy, and very nice.